Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to forward sent links on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. This new version makes managing and sharing content a lot more organized and simple, so let's get started right away. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and your chats are synced properly. Once it's open, take a look at the left side of the app. This is your main navigation area. Next, click on the media icon on the left side menu. This icon gives you quick access to all your shared content, from images and videos to documents and links. It's the easiest way to find specific files or messages you've sent before. After the media window opens, click on links. This section shows every link you've shared or received. Scroll through the list and locate the link you want to forward. If you have a lot of links, you can use the sort icon at the top of the screen to organize them for easier searching. Once you've found the link you want, hover over it and then right click. You'll see a small menu pop up with several options. From here, choose forward. A chat selection window will appear. Now, pick the contact or group you want to send the link to. You can also select multiple chats if you'd like to share it with more than one person at once. When everything looks good, press send. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a sent link on your WhatsApp PC app. This new update makes it faster and smoother than ever to share information without needing to switch to your phone or recopy the link manually. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like the video, share it with friends who might need it, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.